friends, glad you stopped by again, and today's video is going to be all about an unboxing for Ipsy. But if you're new to my channel, great to have you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the little ring so you'll be notified of future videos, and make sure to do a big thumbs up. So as I said, if you're here for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September 2019, this is the place to be. So right here is the bag. It is a monthly subscription. It is the Plus, and it is $25 a month, and you get it every month of your subscription. So you get a nice little box in the mail, and let me open it up. And look at this. It says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." So that was the same thing as last month. It has a nice little orange sponge on it. And then it has this little card, and it says, "Find your right light." Excuse me, find your light. September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going out with a bold and new lip shade or making it home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star, where it will lead you. Really cute. And it has a little card, and it tells you everything that you have in your bag, and it's a value as well. So let's jump on board and let's get to it. First up I'm grabbing up is from MREB, which is a wonderful skin line. This is the Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. Whoa, that's a mouthful. So anyways, let me get it out of the box for you. Wow, that is a really nice size, and it is clear. This is a glass bottle. It has a pump on it, and 83% saw spots lighten in just 1 week. Okay. Fast-acting dark spot treatment with 2% hydroquinone helps face dark spots, age spots, and sunspots. So let me tell you, I really like MREB. They have some of the greatest moisturizers and skin products. I think this is a big heads up. And according to the card, this value is $72. Whoa! That's the price of admission of this box. So let's go on to the next. And we have here from Seat Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Let me see if you can get that. Really pretty. Let's see, this is in the color, it doesn't say, but it says it's cruelty free. So let's open it up and see what the what the actual product packaging looks like, because the outside's cute as a button. And here we go. Oh, and it's a nice little, really pretty. Look at that, a nice little bow on top. And it has the sifter on top, so really nice so you don't spill the product everywhere. And really nice size. This is called Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Really pretty, cruelty free, and kind of really good. And these are some nice sizes. That's one of the great things of having the Plus bag, is you get these full-size products. So next up I have, oh, by the way, that translucent powder is $22. Pretty cool. Then we have here, let's see here, it's called Illuminasqua. Okay, it's a lipstick. Animator lipstick. Let's see what color this is in. It's in a cream. Doesn't say. Oh, it says Cosmic on it. Now it has the label on the bottom. But a nice little packaging. Came in this nice little box. Look at this. Let's open it up. Nice twirl. Look at that. Really nice. Let me put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, it goes on really nice. It's a nice little dark rosy peach. Just a little. Tugs a little. Doesn't have a scent, thank goodness, because I hate it when you have lipstick that smells and it just doesn't do right for you. But this is really pretty. And according to the box, this is $27. And it's Illuminasca Antimatter Lipstick in Cosmic. Really nice. And then we go to the next item, which is Wander Beauty. Really nice. And this is a Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in Taupe. And the value of this one is $21. So let me see. Here's the box it comes in. Let me see if I can get it out of here. Taupe might be a little too much of a color for me. I just love it when they put the packaging on here, so it's even more than childproof, let me tell you. So let me get this out of here. Let me tell you. And here's the actual pencil, and it has a push up here, and it's round, and it's really soft, kind of a point, kind of drags. It is really light. I'm really trying to get some color on it, and right there. So I think this is something that you can really build up if you have the darker shades, you know, of you know, eyebrows. So you can really build it in and build it up. So, but you know, it's a little hard. So it might be, you know, for that eyeshadow, you know, that eyebrow area, it might be a little tough. But I'll give this a whirl. So that's a nice job for me. So here we are to the last item, and this is from Ofra, and it's from Madison Miller. She is a big influencer out there, and she collaborates with Ipsy a lot, and she curates a lot of their boxes. And this is one of her new lines that she just came out with. So here's the box. Cute as a bug. And it's called a MIDI Palette Miller Squad. Really nice name. And what is this? The squad is all here. Your cheeks will have a new BFF with this face palette, which includes 2 glistening highlights that will send you into shock status, and a perfect soft pink blush. Take your glow bestie to go with this slim, travel-friendly, compact with mirror. Here we are. Oh, that looks weird. There's a little, you know, swatch mount, you know, little, you know, mark in here. So here they are. They've got the 2 highlighters, and then here's the blush. So let's take a peek at these. So those are them, the 2 end, and let me put it on the back of my hand. Oh, not too bad. Goes on nice and smooth, doesn't pull at all. And let me do the blush right here. Just to get a little bit on there. And let me find a place in my hand. Let me put it right here. Ooh, that's a nice color. It's a really rosy pink. So you can really build this up if you have the darker, you know, complexion, and you can use a real soft hand with, you know, the lighter complexions like myself. So I think this is really cool. I really like this bag, quite honestly. And this is retailed for $38. Okay, sounds like a plan. So let's go through and talk about what we got in this month's bag. And it is really nice. I think it's something that's really cool. You know, we've got the brow pencil, which is really nice. Then we've got the Illuminesque in Cosmic for the lips, really nice. And then we've got the Extraordinaire from Powder right here, which is really nice, and this is a really nice size. And then we've got the Ofra Cheek Palette, which you could probably use that rosy color for a real nice you know, eyeshadow color to just kind of help if you know, your makeup's getting a little wonky at the end of the day. And then this one, could not believe this. MREB, this is awesome line. I love it. I think this is a great package, and I hope you like this video, and please make sure to put the comments below if you have anything, and don't forget to do the big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. So have a great day. Take care.